Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and I'm giving you a full review of the Gear Up Booster for 2025. Does it really boost your internet speed or is it just a hype? So let's break it down so you know if it is worth your money. So what is Gear Up Booster? So what actually is Gear Up Booster is it is a small plug-in device that claims to increase your Wi-Fi speed, reduce buffering and improve your online gaming and streaming experience. You simply plug it into a power outlet, connect it to your router, and it is supposed to extend your Wi-Fi signal throughout your house. So how to set it up? Setup is pretty straightforward. Plug in, press the WPS button on your router, then press the button on the Gear Up Booster. They will sync automatically. There's also web setup options if your router does not have WPS. Once connected, place it halfway between your router and the area with weak signal. And let's talk about the performance and testing. So basically, does it really work? The question is this. In my case, the Gear Up booster will help extend the Wi-Fi range, especially in rooms that usually had dead zones. However, don't expect miracle speed. It won't magically double your internet, but it can stabilize weak signals for better streaming and browsing. Performance will also depend on your router and your home's layout. Is it worth it? If you have a Wi-Fi data spot or want a simple plug and play standard in Gear Up Booster is decent for the price. Just don't expect it to replace a proper mesh system. I would recommend it for small to medium sized homes. If you found this review helpful, hit the like, subscribe and drop your questions below. I will see you in the next one.